Hi everyone, welcome again to Build with AI. And our video for today will talk about build a content pipeline that runs on autopilot with AI doing 80% of the work. Show me a business owner who says content is easy, and it'll show you either a liar or someone who's hired a team. For everyone else, everyone trying to stay visible, stay relevant, keep posting across LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, or email. Content feels like a second full time job, one that you're always behind on. And the reason it feels that way isn't that the work is hard, it's that most people approach content like a creative performance. They sit down when they feel inspired, write something, post it, and then scramble to do it again next week. That's not a content strategy. That's a content survival mode. So today I'm going to show you how to build a content pipeline, a repeatable AI powered system that lets you produce a full week of content in a single 2 hour session. And once it's built, it runs on near autopilot. The shift you need to make is from creator to operator. A creator shows up and makes something. An operator builds a system that produces something consistently, whether or not they feel inspired that day. Think about it like a factory. A factory doesn't wait for a good mood. It runs a process. Raw materials go in one end. Finished products comes out the other. Your content pipeline works the same way. Topics go in one end, finished. Schedule post comes out the other. Your job is to run the process, not to be the creative genius behind every single piece. The pipeline has four stages. Let me walk you through each. Stage 1, Ideation. This is where most people waste the most time staring at a blank screen wondering what to write. With AI, this stage takes 10 minutes. You give Claude your industry, your audience, and a few minutes that matter to your business. And you ask it, generate 20 content ideas. You'll use 5 of them this week. The rest go into your topic blank for later. Stage 2, Drafting. For each piece, you give the AI a brief, the topic, the angle, the platform, the approximate length, and you let it write the first draft, not the final one, the first version. Something to react rather than create from scratch. For most pieces, this takes 2 to 4 minutes per item. Stage 3, Editing. This is the one stage that still needs a human. You review each draft, add your voice, cut anything that sounds generic, and approve the final version. If you know your material and your voice well, this should take 10 minutes per piece maximum. Stage 4, Format and Schedule. You can drop the approved content into Canva or any visuals, then into Buffer or later to schedule the posting. If you connect these tools through Zapier or Make, you can automate even this stage. Here's the exact tool stack I recommend. Claude for ideation and drafting. It's the best AI writing tool for business content right now. Canva for quick visuals. Their AI tools lets you generate graphics in minutes from a text prompt. Buffer or later for scheduling. Both have free tiers that handle most small business needs. And if you want to connect everything automatically, a tool like Make.com or Zapier handles the hands off between each stage. Tool cost of this stack somewhere between free and $30 a month, depending on your volume. The ROI on that is several hours of time every single week. Here's how the weekly session actually runs. Set aside 2 hours. I recommend Monday morning before anything else gets in the way. The first 30 minutes, you decide your 5 topics for the week and write a one sentence brief for each one. Audience, platform, angle. That's it. The next 60 minutes, you run each brief through the AI, review the drafts, and approve or lightly edit. You're not writing, you are reacting. Is the tone right? Does it sound like you? Is the opening strong enough? 10 minutes per piece, 5 pieces. The final 30 minutes, visual and scheduling. Drop the approved pieces into Canva, apply your brand, template, export, upload your scheduler, done. 2 hours on Monday. Content for the whole week, every single week. I want to leave you with a reframe that I think is genuinely important. You don't need to be a content creator, you need a content system. Those are completely different things. A content creator needs talent, inspiration, time, and energy. A content system needs a process, the right tools, and a couple of hours a week to run it. One of those is a rare gift. The other is something anyone can build starting today. And if you get to the point where even 2 hours a week is too much, that's when you hand the whole pipeline to one person whose job is to run it for you. The system stays exactly the same, you just step out of the operator role entirely. Don't forget to subscribe to Build with AI for a new knowledge. See you next time.